Hey loves, in today's Amazon eye palette review, I am trying the Beauty Glazed Pressed Glitter Palette. I use this palette to create an easy holiday party makeup look. I received the Beauty Glazed Pressed Glitter Palette as a birthday gift. It is available in the Best Land store on Amazon for $10. The palette is mostly comprised of gold, red, and pink glitters, but it also includes one iridescent, one blue, and one purple glitter. For this makeup look, I will be using my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. It is one of my favorite palettes in my entire eyeshadow collection. I am starting off by highlighting my brow bone with Rolling in Dough using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. Now with my Coastal Scents Detail Pointed Crease Brush, I am blending Cocoa Truffle directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. As a base for my glitter, I am applying Famous all over my lid using the Nicka round eyeshadow brush. I am using the Kiss Eye Envy Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in Clear as my glitter glue, and I am applying it using a Bazic Beauty eyeshadow brush. I am using the Lorme silicone eyeshadow brush to apply this dark gold glitter. One thing that I really like about the formula of these shadows is that the shimmers apply beautifully dry. You don't even have to wet them, and just look at how intense that brow highlight is. That is the shade Rich Girl, and I am applying it with the Energy 125. The lashes that I'm wearing are the Eyelure London Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty Faux Mink lashes. On my waterline, I am applying the Colourpop Cream Gel Color in Best O using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro 11. I am highlighting my inner corner with Gold Dipped using the BH Cosmetics V9. For blush, I am using the AOA Studio Hush Cream Sheer Blush in the shade Merlot. It is a beautiful deep berry color that will complement my eyeliner and my lip color. I am applying it with the e.l.f. Essential Blush Brush. And for my highlighter, I am using the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter in Fairy. I am applying it with their F19 highlighting brush. This is a great duo for $2. I applied the LA Colors lip color in Magical. Now I'm going over it with the Nicka lip color in Daytona. This is my completed easy holiday party glam eye makeup. I love glitter. It's so sparkly and fun. It also makes a look glam without too much effort. And here is my face makeup. I really like how I incorporated the berry tones into my eyes, cheeks, and my lips. I feel like berry shades are really festive, and tied with the gold glitter brings this whole look together. Thank you so much for watching. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video. Let me know what you think of my easy holiday party makeup look, and until next time, bye loves!